Yeah, so I figure I'd do some more back testing on pairs that I've never ever looked at. I don't even, what is this? This is the Russian versus Norwegian Chrome. Let's see what I can get out of this. This is like, it's so choppy. Wow, let's see. Okay, so I mean, what I see so far clearly, because I trade off the weekly and daily. I don't really go to lower time frames that much because I like swing trading. I ain't gonna lie to you. But okay, so we somewhat of a channel that we're in on the weekly. This is so choppy. I'm probably gonna hate myself at this. Okay, there was the base. So the move was right there. Uh, let's put that. Let's put that as a bull run from there. We have a top right there. All right. So that was the top. So that's what I mean. So what I see so far is it maybe coming back up to the top. Mm, let's see. Okay, so let's go to the daily. Okay, you already know how I am. Okay, so let's do this. So we came down. We came back to there. Barely touched. We came back here. It dropped down. Okay, I like this little area right here. It's sitting on. That's a bull. Some touches right there. I'm really trying to go into the past. Where is my fractals at? So, cause this is really choppy. This, why do I do this to myself? Okay. Well, let's go to H4. The last time I was doing on the daily, see what the H4 has in store for us. So what I'm looking at, that's the channel, right? And then here we got a little small channel side the H4. Something close to that. There's probably some boo boo. But when it's close to the channel like that, I do this and wait for a break, retest, then I go because the whole goal looks like it wants to this move right here, maybe on the daily, yeah, looks like it might want to go back up. We do H4 wise have a goofy little area right here that keeps turning around. So I need to keep that in mind. Where bears come in and drop it. All right. All right, let's see what happens. I put this on every 0.5 seconds. Let's see. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. First of all, it's every 0.5 seconds. I'm tripping every 2 seconds. So obviously, when I saw that break, that was too fast. I'm sorry, but if it would have came out of there and broke that, I would have came in for the trade from the low, and I would have been in profit. I didn't know that was going to be that fast. I'm sorry. So I was gonna let's put it at every 2 seconds is fine. So TP smash, we would have been up 1%. So I'll be sitting here waiting, seeing what happens. We have here could have took that sale, but I think the momentum is more upward. Um, yeah, I was gonna take the sale, so we didn't take the sale. I was actually gonna take the sale down there. It's okay. I'm gonna wait, see what happens. Choppy pair. This is very choppy. I could have took the sale. I knew it was going to sell down back to that line. So this is not volatile at all. Well, they blowing me up, ain't they? This is very choppy, but we gonna make it do what we do. All right. Let's see. Let me put my okay right there. Right here we have a wick rejection. Right. Let's see what happens here. Okay. No trade. Let's see. We got a frackle there, and we're up 1%. Let's do this. Let's short it right here. Let's see, because it looks like a nice wick rejection. Maybe we'll come down here. Let's just see. Draw down still, and okay. All right, that looked like that stopped us out. Okay, so we got stopped out. Thinking too fast. Jeez. So we got. I was trying to wait. When I saw this break out of here, I was trying to, because this what I was doing is waiting for it to break. I was going too fast, so I would have got in at that break, and they would have hit my TP because I knew it was coming up there anyway. So I actually would have won that trade. I'm just doing this is going too fast. So let me take it down to 3 seconds because I'm okay. I don't want to cheat out the system. It is going too fast. So it's reacting off that area. So we have a breakout. Still not looking for a trade right now. It's coming up to this line. So it broke out. See what happens. Did react right there. You could have got some pips out of that reaction. What we got here? So we have a reaction out of the channel. Uh, all I was looking for. So with that, a candle like that is showing me. Let's see. One set. So this is. So it broke the level. It's at the channel. We have a fractal. Let me got a fractal right there. Wick rejection, bearish pressure. I'm gonna short it right here since we're already at the channel, and I'm gonna take it back to this resistance only because I want to see it break the resistance first and retest. So I'll take it to this resistance. Um, let's see what happens. We're in profit. TP smash, right? So TP smash. So we're up like 2%, right? So now, what level is this? Sorry, let me take these fractals off. So, because this is too thick. Where did I have it? Because it was actually on the week. So we had that high on the week. See, this is the power of trading channels. Let's see. Let's go back to the H4. So we up 2%. If it comes down to this line and shows me that it's not breaking this line, we could possibly take it back up. But if it breaks the line, then we can, it maybe it'll come back down to where it broke out of. because let's see. All right. Let's see. Okay. All right. Wick rejections. All right. So we got 3 wick rejections on H4. What do we have here? Do we have no frackles showing up? I don't like that. All right. So my instincts was to get in. Do we have fractal? So we do have a fractal that showed up on the support. Let's see. Uh, I want to go in. Let's just go in. Okay. I'm not gonna take it all the way back up there because this is. I mean, it's. Let's just do it. I'm overthinking. Let's do this. So we were in profit for a second. That's the problem with H4. I should be looking at the hour and shit. So I'm in profit. So we had H4 fractal show up right there. That's gonna be odd. All right, so it hit TP. Okay, so we hit TP. It all looked like it just broke. Retest came back down. So now at this point, we see that area is a strong area. Take that off. Strong area on the weekly. So because there was a high on the weekly, so we're still going up. We're still at this. We're at this channel right now. We should be up. We should be up. Well, like three R. We have a daily frackle on the channel. Do we have anything on the weekly? Nothing on the weekly yet. Let's go back to. Okay, let's see what happens. Maybe I'll do it off the hour. But do it off when I put the trade in. Do it off the hour. Okay, let's do it like that. See what we got. All right, we touched it again. Wait a minute. Let's see. We touched it again. No fractal showed up. All right, so we have a double top somewhere. Okay, so it broke it. So we have a breakout of the channel. Wow. Okay. I mean, there was some strong momentum on the daily. No, actually, that's if the daily looks like that. Let's see. Let's see what happens. So we had a drop back down there. So we had a wick rejection off the daily. Let's go to the hour and see what happens. So, this is interesting because so what the hell just happened? Okay, well, let's do this. There's no structure, really, not any structure from this point. I mean, it's going up. The only thing I can do is just there's no other structure, so all I can do is just do this. You know what I'm saying? Like next time they come down there and retest it, this pair is goofy. I'm waiting for it to. Copy. So wick rejection, back down. All right, so it came back down to. It didn't come all the way down to this previous high, but it came back to this channel. So I'm gonna take a chance and see. I'm gonna take a chance and see, and then see if I'm going to get mechanically a higher high. Let's see. Take a chance. We already up 3%. So let's go off the hour with this. Oh, it's supposed to be down there below that. Let's see what happens. The hour's slow. But that's the whole point of backtesting anyway. And then look at it on the hour. Look like it's a channel on the hour. So let's see. Maybe we gonna take our first L. Or actually went back down there, which would have been the better entry. So let's stop this. So I'm gonna keep this entry, but it came down to the support that I was looking for. So I'm gonna put another entry down there, going up there. So we're risking 2 trades. Hopefully we don't get smacked out. Let's see what happens. So we're in profit with this one. Yeah, see, it came back and touched that high, this previous high that was on the H4. So we're in profit on this one. I could close half and put break even on that one. So we're in a risk-free trade with this one. We're anticipating the higher high. Let's see what happens. We're actually doing pretty good on this pair. So if we lose this one, I already closed half and put it break even. So if this hits, this was a risk-free trade. We're already in profit. So we would just lose this one. So it'll be up like 4.5 or something like that. I'm not sure. Like an inverted head and shoulder right there. So it's gonna go back up. After retesting the neckline, we're probably gonna push up. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not gonna dictate the market. I don't have no idea how this crap moves. I'm just using market structure at this point. So we're in profit with both trades. I think after this we'll be up 8%. Let's see, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll be up 7% if this hits. If it don't hit TP, then we gotta keep going until we blow either down 5 or up 8. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this off the H4. It's taking all day. An hour. So we got stopped out. We got stopped out on this trade, so we lost 1% on this, and then we broke even on that other one. No problem. Let me take this off. Let me look at market structure. There's too much going on. So we do have that high. That don't mean nothing. Let's stop looking at the past. It broke that high. There. So it broke that high. We have a rally off of this area. So let's see if we can get a retest. We should be down. We should be like 5%. Well, now what the heck was that? All right, so it closing like that. We should be like 5.5. I'm trying to do this in my head. Hopefully, I'm doing it right. Be at 5.5%. Shorten right here. Get a little one. Take it down and let's see what happens. We were in profit. That thing. Looks like we finna get stopped out of that. So it was. So that's a retest of this high. It's going. Let's see what happens. So we're in profit. Say, I mean, it went up, but the real idea is selling pressure down. See how wick selling pressure is going down. That's that lower low. So we got TP smashed. Um, Explaining that when I say selling pressure, every time it got right here, I noticed just from observation that we have lower lows. When you see lower lows, and then the fact that it broke below this high, and we had that selling pressure, it just kept going. So what's that? 5.5, 6.5. We'll probably be up 7.5. These are 1 or 2s I'm trying to do. So we've been up 7.5. So all I need is 0.5% to do the prop firm joints. All right, so let's see. Let's keep going. It wicked all the way up there too. So that area, that was. Oh, let me explain something. This would have been. This is a demand zone because it was a rally base rally, right? So there's a lot of liquidity sitting right here. And I explained this with the students. There was money sitting right here. There was a lot of money sitting right here, and that's why it wicked like that. And honestly, I wasn't paying attention because I was trying to get out the trade. But if it would have wicked down there in real life like that at a structure low, because that's all a demand zone is, the structure lows, structure highs. When it would have wicked down like that, I would have got in. But since I'm on the H4 and it's going pretty fast, it's kind of hard to see. All right, let's see what happens. Maybe if we have a break of that high again. So at this point, I'm looking for the break of the high because we broke the little selling pressure. Maybe a retest and come back up here one more time. Ooh, don't do that. So you see what I'm saying? So break, retest, and come back up. If we get that, then I'll take the trade. If not, then we'll look for another buying opportunity. All right, let's see what happens. So it still didn't break. I didn't break the selling pressure. So let's see. So we have a break. We have the retest. Long position. I really would have got the long position off the hour, but I don't want to keep doing this. I only need 0.5%. Let's see what happens. I would have been in profit if I would have went down an hour and stopped being lazy about this video. That's cool. I would have been in profit by now. So we're in profit. I don't know if that would have been 0.5%. I only needed 0.5%. have no idea how this shit moves. I just based off market structure. That's all, honestly. Yeah, this is just choppy. We touched the line again. See how it respected, but it's so choppy right there. I feel like it's gonna break that line. Too many touches on that line, that'll break. That's I mean 1, 2. All right, at that point we're up a half. This could have been I closed half, and I probably won this trade. Like at that point, we got our 8%. We're out the market. We don't even have to like it. I'm gonna see if it hit TP though. It probably stopped us out. Yeah, we would have had our 8% off this. Man, looks like it's finna come back up. That's so close to the TP. Man, I would have probably took it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I probably would have took it. But I just want to see if it's gonna hit TP anyway. I just want to see. That is so close. This thing playing games. Wow. All right, so TP smash. Easy stuff. Just pure price action. Sometimes fractals just to see where I'm at. But I knew it was gonna come back and double that top. So all right, well, I'm gonna try to do this every week. I'm just gonna pick a random pair. I'm gonna close my eyes and go to the time thingy and just use pure price action to trade and see what I do. Did pretty good this time. That's just it's good for a trader to come in and do this anyway. And I did it on pairs that I don't know because I dare not do currency pairs because I mean it's gonna be. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be easy, but with currency pairs I have a that I already like actual currency pairs. I have an actual I actually look at the indexes for them with the same price action and stuff like that. I look at the index to trade them. But that was a beautiful trade, break, retest. That was a beautiful trade after it broke structure, went down, hit TP. That was a beautiful demand zone. I could eat off this, but apparently Russia doesn't like their money being traded like that. So and India is the same way. So it's hard to find Russian rubble on brokers. So that's why I just go to random stuff. I just go on. Maybe next week I might do the Norwegian Krone versus Chef. I don't know, something just weird that I don't know how it moves, but I know pure price action. So, well, with that being said, hope you guys are doing your back testing and learning how to trade these markets. Peace.